Over the next week, I'm going to do a 5-part series where each day I'm giving you a new tip on how to use nonverbals in a conference setting. First one, eye contact, not creepy eye contact. People will tend to look far beyond their carpet and lock into someone in this really creepy way, and then people are afraid. You have to understand eye contact is important, but don't linger. If you are doing eye contact more than 5 seconds, you're creepy. People are not gonna come into your booth. Appropriate eye contact, it works. Tip number 2, do not go shoulder to shoulder on the edge of the carpet. You want to gently soften your shoulder so you're not straight on, especially men. Men will tend to get territorial. They'll spread their legs wide, they'll have their arms out, and they'll be looking like they're ready to fight. Why in the world would anyone want to come talk to you about your product? Simple solution, soften the shoulder. Tip number 3 for nonverbals to make more of an influence and make more impact, your voice. If you have something important to say, slow down. Otherwise, you can have that rapid pace. No matter where you live in the country, you can talk very quickly. When you have something important to say, slow down. When you slow down, think of that as the highlighter to your voice. Tip number 4, don't create a barrier. I know it's comfortable, especially when you're wearing uncomfortable shoes. The organization has not upgraded, so you don't have the nice padding under that carpet. It's really easy to lean on something, stand behind a high top table, whatever it may be. What happens is you're creating an illusion of having a barrier. You are less approachable. So when you are standing out there, be aware, do not have a barrier. Tip number 5 on how to use your nonverbals to make more of an influence and impact. This is a not to do. Don't congregate. When people get in a circle in the booth, when you're with your peers, I know it's really fun to talk about the night before, talk about what people are doing this fall. It really is rude. And it also creates an illusion that you are not interested in bringing other people in. And the majority of people aren't rude. They're not gonna break it up. Don't congregate.